Hey guys, welcome to Rudz Racing. This week we had finished up on a K-Series Turbo EG Civic. The car was brought to us in NA form with a turbo kit that was supplied from the customer. We tore it down and put it in a new gas tank that was modified with a sump for an external fuel pump and fully built the rest of his fuel system using Dash 8 and Dash 10 AN line capable of around 1,000 horsepower. After that, we fabricated a new downpipe and dump tube, mounted his intercooler, custom-built 3-inch intercooler piping, and added in a wideband gauge along with fixing some wiring issues. We are able to build your car to suit your goals for it and what type of build you're going for. In this example, the customer wanted to have his fuel system rated very high so that when he wants to go for the next step, he can easily do so. Turbo cars come in many different forms, so if you're interested in putting a turbo on your car, contact us or listen to episode 14 of the Rudz Racing Unlocked podcast on Spotify or link down below to our website.